Hey friends, what's going on? Myself Kaushik and welcome to another episode of Fly High India. Few days back, I have ordered a frame slider for my KTM RC390 and the product has just arrived. The quality of this frame slider is quite good. It is very heavy. I have ordered this frame slider from Technokhan, and thank you Technokhan for providing us such a good frame slider at a very cheap rate. Because if you want to buy this type of frame slider online, it will cost you 5,000 to 6,000. But during shipping, this frame slider, especially this part, got damaged in some places. The paint is peeling off, so I have decided that I will paint it into matte black. For painting, you have to first dismantle this. I am going to paint all these four metal parts into matte black. First, you have to rub this product with sandpaper so the surface become little rough, so that when you will spray the paint will stick to this plate very securely. Rubbing is complete. Now I am going to paint this. After painting, it looked like this. You have to let it dry for 2 to 3 hours. And now for installing this on your KTM RC390, you have to remove this side panel. And for removing this side panel, you have to remove this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These 5 nuts. And you have to remove these 3 rivets. Just push the middle portion. Now remove the side panel. First, I will fit this plate over here with the help of these 4 nut and these 4 bush. There are 2 types of bush. One bush is for wide frame and another bush is for thin frame. I am going to fix my plate over here, so I have to use this white bush for this white frame and this bush for this thin frame. I have placed this bush over here. So one side is fixed. Now I have to fix the other side. As I am going to fix this side over this thin frame, so I am going to use this thin bush. Now I have to fix this frame slider over this base plate. For that purpose, I am gonna need this nut and bolt. First I have to
open this. Now I will place this nut into this. You can see this. I have to tighten this with the help of this wrench. Fix the cap. This one. Same for the opposite side.
Thanks for watching this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, ride safe, always wear a helmet. Bye bye.